Hi guys, Andrew Rasso here, and welcome to the Online Marketing Gurus. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of content strategies. If you want to attract and retain your ideal clients, you're in the right place. So grab a pen and paper as we explore how to create effective content strategies that will elevate your digital marketing game. So let's get started. Creating effective content strategies is all about connecting with your audience on a much deeper level. Step number 1, define your ideal client. Before you create any content, you need to know who exactly you're targeting. Start by creating a detailed buyer persona that represents your ideal clients. Understand their demographics, their pain points, their goals, and their interests. This knowledge will serve as your compass into creating content that truly resonates with them. Step number 2, research and understand your audience. Dive deep into market research, customer surveys, and social listening. Analyze their online behavior, engagement patterns, and preferences. This information will give you valuable insights into the topics, formats, and channels that will captivate your audience. Step number 3, provide value and solve problems. Your content should be a solution to your audience's challenges. Create informative blog posts, videos, podcasts, or infographics that offer actionable advice, tips, or industry insights. Be the go-to resource that helps your audience overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. Step number 4, tell your brand story. Your content should reflect your brand values, personality, and unique selling proposition. Use storytelling techniques to create emotional connections with your audience. Make sure to share your journey, successes, and challenges to build trust and authenticity. Step number 5, diversify your content types. Experiment with different formats to keep your audience engaged. You can create written content, videos, podcasts, live streams, or interactive experiences. Make sure you adapt your content to the preferences of your ideal client, and don't be afraid to try new things. Step number 6, optimize for SEO and promotion. To attract your ideal client, your content needs to be discoverable. Make sure you conduct market research and keyword research and optimize your content for search engine. Additionally, leverage social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to amplify your reach. Step number 7, measure, analyze, and refine. Track key metrics like website traffic, engagement, and conversions. Analyze the performance of your content to understand what's resonating with your audience and what needs improvement. Use this data to refine your strategies and create even more effective content. Thanks for joining us today, guys, at the Online Marketing Gurus. We really hope these content strategies help you elevate your digital marketing game. If you have any questions or need assistance with your content strategy, please feel free to reach out to us. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos.